Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to explain how you can improve your cart and your checkout page using Elementor Pro. So if you watch my previous video on how you can create your product page and your shop page with better design using Elementor Pro, as you can see here, you get to the point that you can add the product to the cart, right? And the design, it could be better. So that's why using Elementor Pro you can probably have like better user experience, better design, so that it will be improving your shop. Even if you stay until the end of the video, I'm just going to explain how you can do this purchase summary, which is also good to finalize the user experience. Okay, so please stay tuned. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the end of the video. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is just go through your dashboard. Okay, as an admin, you go dashboard, and here we are going to search for your cart page and your checkout page. So you go to page, all pages, and then you can just go here in this section and search for cart. Okay, so you should have this as if you're using WooCommerce. As you can see here, say cart and the checkout. So we're gonna edit this first cart page. And I'm using already Elementor, but if it's not, it will be displaying here. So you just need to go and edit with Elementor. Okay, so let's gonna edit that with Elementor. And as you can see, I already have my one in here, but I'm just going to explain step by step how I did this design. So as you can see here, what I did is create a divider. So I'm just going to go through with you and do the same thing. So you go to the widget and then you go through the dividers. Okay, it's here. You just need to drag that. So always the same, as I say here on the left, content, style, and advanced. So first thing, content, we want to do the add element. So we are going to put a text. So here on the text, so we are going to change that for cart. Okay. You can see is already changed in the cart. I'm going to change the color. So in the style, going to color purple, and that's it. So text, you need to match this a little bit. So probably it will be about 72. And the color is black. And also this weight, it must be something bold. Okay, if you want to transform and put uppercase, it will be like that. I think it's way big, so we can just reduce and maybe go through 58. And I think it's pretty close, so that's it. Probably here it will change. I think that's because of this family, but it will be pretty close. Okay, cool. So as you can see, it's fine. It's pretty close. Okay, now what we need to do is achieve this design with the cart. So for that, using Elementor Pro, if I'm going here to the widgets and look for cart, okay, you will see that you have this option cart in here, and then I'm going to add this in there. As you can see, it's pretty similar what I did. I like the way that it is. The layout is clean, nicely and beautiful, much better than before. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is just use the branding and make a little bit of a style. So for that, you go here. Okay, so that's the content. 2 columns is fine. And then what I'm going to do, probably additional options. As you can see, you got a button, but I want just to automatically update every time that someone make any change in here in quantity. So they don't have to apply this. Okay, it will automatically update. Cool. So going in there, let's gonna start to change this style. Okay, so first thing that we can probably do, as you can see, you got a lot of drop downs in here: sections, typography, forms, order, summary, totals, checkout, and customize. Okay, I'm just gonna go start for here sections. Box shadow, you can add this box shadow, and then probably it makes this shadow in here. So maybe we can just go there. Border, we can just do none, so it will get this, and border. So I'm just gonna put, I think here it was 20. I'm just gonna do 20 as well. It's fine. Margins are okay. Typography. Okay, typography normally is for those titles. If you go here, titles, descriptions, and links. So I'm just gonna go to start with the titles here. Probably go to 24. As you can see here, 24. The size is big, and then all right, descriptions are okay, links like links you can put, as you can see, change for, you can use this brand color, okay, depending what you are or what color you have, branding. And then forms, so I'm just gonna go through forms, fields, that's let me see in here what it is. That's for the forms, so I probably like the way that it is, but you can go here. So forms, it will be these two for coupons, or what is this, shipping address, okay. Let me go here, order summary, we will be pretty much all of that, so I think is here, yeah, so that's the title. In that we can probably another 24. If it's too big, we can just reduce, maybe 20, okay. What else do we have in here? Titles, items, product link, which is that. Okay, dividers, it will be this line in here, so we can just go for the same. Quantity borders, remove icon, okay, so maybe that one can be red as well, and then that's fine. Okay, so now we're going through totals. One more thing before I go ahead, here in forms is an option for the forms to change the buttons. So if I'm going to the buttons here, as you can see, buttons, I'm just going to start change this color because I want to achieve something similar as I have in here. Okay, so I'm just gonna do buttons, and then background type, it will be the, I can change here, all right, and then the text color, it will be white. Okay, what else we can do? As well as the border, we can maybe put none, and if I want to achieve something like, as it was like 60 probably, okay, to keep the same structure like or design as I have previously. Okay, hover, maybe we can just go here, hover, and then just change that, so it's not making any change. Even if you can change the color as well, so I'll probably go here and then do that in black. So when someone goes there, it will be black. Okay, cool, it's nice. As you can see here, it's getting better. Now we can keep going, and I think, as you can see here, form, order summary, which is where we are, totals, it will be in this section in there, which is, I'm pretty happy what it is, but we can probably put maybe in black. Okay, and then we're going through the checkout button, which is right in here. So the checkout button, we can probably put something more like black, and as it is, and it's simple and ready to, maybe we can just go and change the typography, okay, and make it bigger, 24, to keep it better. Okay, if you want to edit this, what I mean, this is just the title in this button. So we're just going back, content, and then you go to in here, totals, and then on the checkout button, you will be able to change that. So for instance, I'm just gonna put checkout. Okay, so make it simple, checkout, and it's simple. Okay, so that's it. I'm happy what I can see in here. Okay, so you just need to apply these changes and update. One more thing, what I recommend here is, because most of that's for the SEO and the user experience. When they're in the car, we don't want to get them distracted with different things, right? So maybe we can just go here on the settings, right? Settings, page layout, and make that as an Elementor Canva. For that, the only thing that it will display is just the content on the page, right? I'm just gonna do it again. So in here, just go there, Elementor Canvas, and that's it. If now I update that, so I refresh the screen, it will just take me to what is the content inside of the page. Nothing on the header, nothing on the, well, I'm just going to remove that, nothing on the footer. So just the content in here. What you can do is just give a little bit of padding to the top, 60, and then here, so you just go advanced layout, padding, and then at the bottom another 60, just to give a little bit of breath, you know, at the top and at the bottom. Always remember to go to responsive mode and see how it displays for the different devices. Okay, so as you can see here, that it will be mobile version, and that is the desktop, which is pretty fine. So we just update, and that's it. Cool. So now I'm just gonna do the same thing for the checkout, right? But as I have the structure in here, we just go through the checkout page. Okay, so you just need to, I'm just in here, but I'm gonna do it with you. So update. I can just now see how is the previous things. As you can see, that's the cart page. So I'm going here, dashboard. I'm going to the page, all pages, and I'm gonna go through the checkout. So here in the checkout, search for that and do the same thing. As you can see here, edit, right? And I have this standard view for WooCommerce. I'm just gonna go and use with Elementor. So here, Elementor. And then it take me to, I already have my one, so it's just the same way that you can do it before, right? I'm just gonna do it with you, but it will be much quicker. So you just go here, check out, right? You drag that into a new box, which is probably you need to add a new box in there. And then you go through, first of all, the divider, right? What I can recommend, if you already have that one, you can just go copy that one, right? That's a trick. Copy that widget and then take it to the checkout, which is in here, and paste it. You can do that. So it's much easier. You don't have to do it again. That's it. Cart, and then you go here, checkout. Done. Okay, as you can see. And for instance, if I have something done here in something else, I don't know, with the cart, right? You can just go here, copy, and then you can probably copy the style, but not with that one because that one is different. That's a checkout, okay? As I have it here down below, I can just go copy it, right? And then just paste the style. As you can see, it will go over straight away, okay? I can do the same with you, but again, it's so simple. It's just going through this checkout. So you just need to go here, checkout, as I did now, and then drag it in there. Once it's in here, you can go through the content and layout. In here, 2 columns. You can actually go through 1, but 1 is not as nice as 2, in my opinion, okay? And then what do you have in here is, okay, billing details. So you can see all these details that came from default with this. You can probably change the items, but I think by default it's okay. So billing details, shipping details, additional information if you want to display. If not, just go and then don't show that, right? You order, it will be as that title, which is fine. Coupons, if you do coupons, if it's not, you just remove that and don't do, you just hide this. And payments, okay? So payments, it will be always the terms and condition. It displays in here that you can edit on WooCommerce, and then these terms and conditions link that it will link into that privacy policy as well, okay? So that's it. Place an order, right? So imagine that you want to change that, place an order and make it bigger. It will be always in the style. I'm just going to go through all the things, but it's pretty much the same as I did with cart. So it will be section, it will be the box shadow, it will be the typography for these titles, okay? It will be the form, so it will be that form style. The order summary is always in this section here on the right. And then the purchase button, which is that thing in here. So for instance, I can just put it in transform into uppercase. As you can see here now is uppercase. Okay, so that's it. So if you want to customize something, select section 2. No, that's fine. So remember always to update here at the button, update. And the most important is also to see how this plays in different devices, as you can see. The same thing here, and also mobile. You see that now it's affecting that. You don't want to distract the user from your checkout, because then you're gonna lose, orders. So we're just going back to the desktop, and I'm just gonna go here, settings, page layout, and just Elementor with canvas, right? Update. And then 1 second, just you need to refresh that screen. So as soon as you refresh, it will keep the same format, okay? I'm just gonna drop this into this section. That can go. and then I think down below it was another one, so I just need to remove that one as well as here. Okay, so that's it, simple as that. Okay, so we got the cart and the checkout. Please, if I go so quick, you can just go back, or if you have any questions, please let me know on the comments below, right? Don't forget about that update. And then we are going to do something which is more important, is the purchase summary. Okay, so now I got the shop, I got this product page, I got the cart. So I'm just going to see in how this cart display. As you can see, much better. Okay, and then the checkout. So here in the checkout, after that, you have the checkout. And then if you want to place an order, we can create this nicely. Well, as you can see here, it's not ready yet. So I'm just going to explain how you can do this purchase summary. Okay, so how to do that? We're just going back to Elementor. As you can see in here, we are in Elementor Pro, and then you are in the checkout page. You need to go through these buttons here, settings, and then site settings. Here in site settings, down below is an option when you have WooCommerce that is a WooCommerce, okay? And then WooCommerce Pages. You can go here, and we're gonna show you like right after that where you can find this WooCommerce page as well. But it's one is called Purchase Summary, and it's not selected, right? Even the terms and conditions. This is important, guys. In here, you need to assign this page. If you don't have it, you just need to go and dashboard or page and create your page. So for here, I already have my one, okay? And it's called Purchase Summary. So you need to assign that in order to follow the work or the cart flow, it's called, okay? So update. And I'm going back to show you what it is, this standard. So let me show you how that looks. Shop, add to the cart. I'm just gonna go and build the cart. The cart is amazing. Now, okay, the checkout is even better. And then here, when they place an order, right, wow, you got the purchase summary. I'm just going to show you how I did that. So I'm going back to the dashboard. Now the purchase summary is assigned to WooCommerce page. So you need to go back here, all page, and then look for your purchase. You can call it whatever you want. Purchase summary. I'll call it like that because it was assigned to purchase summary. Edit. Okay, and then here you can edit with Elementor. Okay, so it's the same thing. What I did in here to have this this icon box, if you go to widgets, okay, and then you go to icon box, right? So you just drag that into your content page and then select the icon. Obviously, you select the check cross or this check, okay? I'm just gonna do it again. I don't know why it's not working. Here, check, insert, don't forget to insert. And then you just need to change the title, thank you. Okay, and add the description. Put here, we have successfully received your order, but you can add or you can customize that as you wish. Okay, and then if you want to change that, the style, just go here in style and then primary color, and you can just play with the colors. So you can probably put green, right? And also the size, so you can make it a bigger. Remember always to go and responsive mode to see how that displays in the different responsive views. Okay, but look, I think I was happy what it was before here. And then in this purchase summary, okay, so the same thing, you go to widgets and then you go to purchase summary. It is an option in here, it's called purchase summary. So what we need to do is just go here and drag it. As you can see, what the only thing that I did is just change the style. So how I did that is just go here, confirmation message. I replaced that confirmation message for this icon box, which is, I think, is very, it's better. You got the payment details, that's in the content, bank details, you got downloads if it's a download, purchase summary, okay, billing details, all these sections that you can change the title, okay, preview settings, of course the last order, right? in here style. So what I did is just give a little bit of padding because it was too much in here. Okay, so the width, the border, I think that 1 second. If you want to just give the padding for the whole side, you just need to go here, advanced padding, and then give this the side. As you can see here is better, 40. Okay, and then now, for instance, if you want to do this border that I did here, that it will be an advanced border, and then play with this border shadow. Okay, if you want to do it rounded, so you just go here 20. Okay, and then do that with this color. Okay, a little bit, that's it, and then blur more. Okay, but that depends how you guys want to do that. I mean, it's nothing that is, but I think it looks better in terms of design. Okay, and the same thing, if you could just go and want to play with, if you want to play with the style in here, you can change the style. I'm just going to go through these sections: typography, payment details, bank details, and then order details. All of that is what you want. Okay, but look, the whole user experience is much better now. You got the cart page, you got the checkout page, and also you have the purchase summary. Okay. Alright, so this is the end of the video. I hope you learned a lot with this tutorial. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Like and subscribe to this channel. You're gonna have the best cart and checkout using Elementor Pro. I'll see you in the next one.